Maria Rosa Prolion, 44 years old, from La Medalla Federal Albay, Philippines. My educational attainment is college undergraduate. I taking up computer secretary. My height is 5 feet and 55 kilograms. I am married and blessed with 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl, 21, 17, and 15. I have experience in Dubai as domestic helper from 2017 to 2018. I serve 4 members of the family. One couple, 2 kids, ages 3 and 2 years old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of kids, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, preparing their foods, and sometimes I clean the car and gardening. I work also in Kuwait for 3 years. Since 2019 to 2023, I serve 4 members of the family. One couple, 2 kids, ages 10 and 9. After a year, my madam get pregnant and I am looking and taking care of the newborn baby girl. My main duties is and responsibilities is taking care of the baby and the kids, cleaning the house, preparing their foods, washing clothes, ironing, tutoring the kids, sometimes bringing them to their his school, playing with them, and also we sing together like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Ma'am and sir, please allow me to work in Hong Kong, especially to your family. I am a good person, trustworthy, hardworking, honest, and God-fearing. And also, I'm a fast learning, especially for cooking. I am happy to work with you soon. Thank you.